Hi everyone, in this video I'll teach you how to add a section break in your Google Docs document. So to start with, open up your Google Docs and now click where you want the break to happen. Let's say I want to do it here after there's been an introduction in my document. So yeah, simply click and now go up to insert and now go all the way down to break, and now you have the option to do a section break continuous. So when you click section break continuous, it stays on the same page but creates a gap between the text above. So let's see. And now as you can see, it just created an extra space here between the text. And now we have the other option, which is let's see here. Let's say I want this each topic to be on a separate page as it is right now. So we have the topic 1, topic 2, and now we want to push topic 3 down to the following page. So click and now go down to insert, break, and now you can either click on the page break option or you can click section break next page. Let's just do that for the purpose of this video. And as you could see, this topic just got moved down to its own page, and that is an easy way to format your Google Docs document. Thanks for watching.